happening. All right, I'm going to try and do a quick little video here. But basically what I have are two options from switch styles here. One is the F4i ignition bypass to toggle switch, and the other is the F4i ignition switch repair for either a fried diode in your OEM ignition, or maybe you've purchased an eBay ignition and found out that it hasn't fixed your problem. So typical issue we're going to come across, you got your eBay ignition, you got it all hooked up, you go to turn it on, bike comes live, lights come on, but we have no fuel pump prime. So what do? Well, you can get a diode, you can look into that, you can do some research, it's out there, you can fix this. But another option is hit me up. I got this guy. What it is, quick jumper harness. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in to the bike side. The other side we are going to plug into our either burnt diode ignition or our eBay ignition. And then, listen. There's our pump prime. So now the bike's going to run. Fixes eBay ignition. So the other option that I have for you guys is the toggle switch bypass. This is the simple toggle. I have a bunch of varieties in terms of switch, plate, all kinds of stuff like that. But same idea. What we're going to do, I think this is off, but we're going to plug it in. No, it's on. Plug it in again, OEM. Bike's off. Bike's on. Bike's off. And the bike's on. So, again, guys, hit me up. Switch styles. You guys know how to get a hold of me for the most part. Shoot me a private message, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. But I got what you need. Let me know. Holler at me. Peace.